So let's add some HTML content and images in D2L. We'll start on our opening homepage, and we will go up to the top and click the Content button, and that's going to take us to our content page where we will click on New and then create a new file. When we do that, we'll be able to enter a title for whatever the content is that we want to add. And for this, I'm going to enter text on what they should enter or what they should do this week. And to add an image, we click on that camera image and then upload whatever image we want to upload. Hopefully it's relevant. And with the alternative text, we want to go ahead and put a description for screen readers and then click OK. And that's going to pop up for us at the bottom so that we can see those. We click Save and Close. And it's going to show it to us on the new content in that actual page. So let's go back though and look what it looks like from week 2. There on the left, you can see that's where we are. And then it's been added in the Submit folder for Due This Week. If you click on that, this is what it will look like for students, just the larger image with the text and the image. All right, good luck.